tick. MCCORMICK, MCCORMICK, MCCORMICK. You make my heart go tick, tick, tick.
Hey, let's get into these tacos. It's taco time. I got not one, but two, but three McCormick seasonings going all up in my taco meat. Yes, I do. And I already got my onions sauteing off in that thing there. Yes, I do. And I added some yogurt. I end up adding 2 more yogurts when I got through finished cooking my meat. And I added some spinach to go on top. I chose that instead of lettuce this time. Then I got some on the border salsa. Yes, I do. I put that right up on top of my meat. And then I got some feta. You can't go wrong with the feta. I got some feta cheese, some mild cheddar Kraft cheese. I got that secret sauce, Hidden Valley Ranch. But yeah, it wasn't no secret with me because I added some Thousand Island and I added some Chick-fil-A sauce. I mixed it up inside of it and sprinkled it right up on top of that thing, you know. And I got some tomatoes on the side. Don't worry about that leaning. If it's leaning, then you're dreaming. Yes, put it right back on top. But it tasted so good. I always make tacos so many different ways, but it was so good this time, like any other time I make them. Yes, so good.